that don't know me, I am Boywithuke. I'm a 19-year-old with a ukulele and a mask. I make music for a living, obviously. But yeah, this is my first time in Detroit. It's a pretty nice city. I went to a nationals yesterday. I had a Coney. It was probably the best Coney I've ever had. It was awesome. Big shout out, big thanks, huge thanks to AJR for letting me open for them tonight. This is honestly crazy because I used to listen to them. I still listen to them in high school. Or I used to listen to them in high school. I still listen to them now. Yeah, this is fucking weird. That was definitely not rehearsed. This next song is called 2 Moons.